Hi, my name is Costello Cursina Construction. I'm here at Vivaldo's house in Chicago, Illinois. Shingle we're attempting to repair. Now, the argument that was had was that they've already done multiple repairs on the roof, so that the ITEL in this situation doesn't hold any weight, which a temporary repair, I feel, is just doing their due diligence to keep water from coming in their house to ensure that their roof stays insured. But long story short, we're going to attempt to repair this shingle right here. So let's get these shingles around and straight up. They're all pretty loose, so that's a good thing. Alright, so this is pretty simple. Next step is getting the nails out. So let's start there. Let's see where they're at. Have a nail there. Got one right here. Pull through, get that out of the end. Okay, a lot of these are actually you can see that one just cracked. Trying to get the nail out above it right there. We got a rip the shingle. Same thing just happened right here around the shingle. You can see where it pulled through the nail. Okay, this thing pulls out. Okay, now let's get some of these nails out that didn't pop out properly because they did not. Able to get them out. Okay. Here. Oh, guys out. This was the other one we gotta get out. That one's out now. Alright. That's out already. Okay. So, now, just within pulling the nails out, you see this. We got some cracking here. This one's ripped. This one here is ripped right through. These top ones, we got some creasing going on right here. We got a deep crack right here, right here, right here. So, I mean, these are already cracking. Like this right here is cracked right there. So, clearly when attempting to repair, I mean, if you get an overview here, you can see it's all through the shingles. They're all cracking, which would lead to a which would mean the roof's non-repairable. Let's put it that way. The next step is sliding the shingle in and putting it in, nailing it down so that we have something here to cover this area. But again, this shingle's no longer manufactured. So not only do we have a failed repair, as you can see here, we have glue lines that don't add up. These glue lines are not in the same areas, which would lead to a more reason for a failed repair. And you can see the shingles lined up, but the glue lines are not. So these shingles are not going to repair properly. They're not going to seal, which will allow water intrusion and cause a bigger issue. So for those reasons, we are asking for full replacement of the roof.